Hi there, YouTube! Today is the Halloween bash at my church, and this is the kind of look that I'm going for. I have done this makeup before. I don't have a ton of time to do this, so I will be rushing. I'm going to start with putting black around my eye. I like the top of it to be my eyebrow. Kind of gives me a stopping point. I look a little crazy right now though. I'm just using a simple black kind of sparkly eyeshadow. I look scary. Perfect. I'm going to make the illusion of a skull nose. This does look a little crooked. I have a crooked nose. And also because I'm doing it crooked, so we'll see if this works. I might just look like a weird cat. Or raccoon. It kind of works. For the definition of the sunken in skull cheeks, I'm going to use just a dark brown shade. I'm really just following the bone structure of my face, but making it more dramatic. Just kind of follow the fish line, if that makes sense. And then the little divot that you have, your temple, kind of go along there. I want it to look more like a shadow. Since I don't have a white base makeup, it's kind of nice to go through and make the edges of your face dark so that it looks like you're whiter than you are, which honestly, I'm so white that I get mistaken for a ghost, you know? Oh no, I did this wrong. One moment, please.
You know when your feet fall asleep, like, completely, and then the blood starts rushing into them, and you feel like you can't move any part of your body or else you'll die? That's what's happening right now. What the heck? Get your blood back in you.
That looks a lot better. More skull-like. I'm gonna put a little bit of rosy little blush spots here because I want to look like a dead person trying to be alive. I'm going over this area with a more sparkly lighter brown to define the sunkenness better, but also adding a little flair. So you can't really tell on the camera, but I used various colors, pinks, purples, blues, and even greens, and then even gold. My eyes are feeling real sick. You can't tell. All my friends be texting me and calling me, telling me hurry up. Sorry. I am doing some neck makeup and also the collarbone. I think my collarbone is crooked. This is such a rush job. I'm so sorry, people. Places to be, people to see. Now I'm gonna focus on some design. looks interesting. Now I'm going to work on my eyes and my lips. The problem with liquid liners I've noticed is that they don't really work if you have too much eyeshadow on, which is quite unfortunate for this situation, because I have a buttload. Ooh, girl, my makeup allergies are waking up. I wish I had a darker shade than this, but I only have one lipstick that I've had since 7th grade. I'm trying to do this as even as possible, but it's just showing me how crooked my mouth is. The struggle of a perfectionist. So next time I do this look, I will use a liquid eyeliner first. I forgot that that's what I did when I did this like 4 years ago. This is gonna have to do for right now. Do I look scary? Better be scared. Use a little bit of my lipstick as like little cheek things, cause I'm a dead woman trying to be alive. Okay, since I'm done with my makeup, I am going to put on my costume. I look more like a deranged clown than like a Dia de los Muertos kind of look, but oh well. So I understand that you guys can't really see the whole thing, but I have kind of like a sparkly black and shiny purple little dress on, and it kind of poofs at the bottom, and then I have black leggings and black wedge shoes. there we go. Put my hair into crazy little pigtails because my hair wanted to be crazy today. I also wore a cross necklace that matches pretty well with the sparkle and the black and the cool designs, and you know, because I'm going to church. I went to my church's Halloween bash and I went out with my friends. I wasn't judged at all. No, all the men at the bar were like, who is this crazy girl? But I didn't care. It's Halloween season. Don't judge me. And I went to Target. Surprisingly, no one judged me except for one little girl walked past me very quickly with one of her friends and she said, don't look, or don't stare, or something. It was a little awkward. It's fine, my friend stuck by me. So what I'm gonna do now is take off half of my makeup like I did before. Enjoy.
Normal human being from the outside. Psych. She cray.
Hope you liked this rushed video of me doing this Dia de los Muertos Halloween something.